In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user from HubSpot the right way. The process of removing a user from your HubSpot account is straightforward but requires careful attention to ensure you're doing it correctly. So let's dive in and go through each step together. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by typing hubspot.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option labeled Log In at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button to proceed. Once you've clicked Log In, you'll need to enter your credentials. Make sure you're using the email and password associated with your HubSpot account. After you've logged in successfully, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. This is where you'll find various tools and resources to manage your account, but for now we need to head straight to the settings. On the HubSpot homepage, look for the settings icon, which typically looks like a gear and is usually located in the main navigation bar. Clicking on it will take you to the settings dashboard. Here you'll be able to customize various aspects of your HubSpot account. Next, from the settings menu, locate and click on Users and Teams. This section is where you manage user permissions and view the members associated with your HubSpot account. Once you're in the Users and Teams section, you'll see a list of all the users who have access to your HubSpot account. Now, find the user you want to delete from the list. It's important to confirm that this is the correct user before proceeding, as deactivation is a significant action. Once you've identified the right user, click on their name to select them. After you've selected the user, look for the deactivate button. Clicking this will bring up a confirmation prompt. We're almost done, but be sure to double check that you've selected the correct user. This is because deactivating a user will revoke their access to all HubSpot resources and data. Finally, click on Deactivate User in the confirmation window to complete the process, and there you have it, you've successfully deleted a user from your HubSpot account. Ensure you have reviewed the implications of this action on your business operations, especially if the user was involved in ongoing projects or had specialized permissions. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for you. Deleting a user is a task that should be performed with caution, but following these steps will ensure it's done properly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.